So guys, nandito na tayo. Mamaya na muna kami mag-video. Papaalam ko muna kung pwede mag-video. Okay. So, head tattoo guys.
Did you do all the marks?
Yes.
Yes.
He has all tattoos before. Then
Yeah, he covers up.
I covered some and then I did the full arm. Now I'm working on the other arm.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's when he sent me a picture
Yeah.
when he was with you, and that's when I said I would ask him to come and do the, because that logo is my son's motocross facility that I'm building. So you know motocross, supercross.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm building one of them. So I want the logo just for my son. So I'm building the company for him, and his name's Maddox.
Okay.
So that's where the name Maddox comes from.
This one.
That's it.
So, kind of like 3D stony effect, yeah?
Just
So it's like engraved in your head.
yeah, like like a gravestone. That's sort of like like if you did a gravestone tattoo, like with the detail shading.
We will use this pattern and then I will freehand the rest.
Yeah.
The crafts, the
Yeah,
details.
that's it. Yeah. I think you'll be after seeing what you've done with Mark's skulls, you can then add shading around and just like work with it. So if you look at that, that's on my head, and then you then just fade stuff around it. Like do like the skulls on either side, and then just freehand what you think. Do you know what I mean? What you think looks best. Because listen, none of my stuff is.
Who did those?
In the UK, my friend done them. So these are like when I was 15. I'm 42 now.
Oh.
So I've had like all my body done. We would just go there and then just pick it on the day.
Oh.
So I'd go to my friend's studio and go, I have that, and then we'd just do it.
How long you've been here?
3 years.
Hello.
Do you want sugar? Do you want milk in
No, just black. Thank you.
I lived here before 10 years ago, and I've been back here 3 years. So on and off. I lived here in the UK.
So it's your first time to have a tattoo here in Dubai.
Yeah.
Hey, you have this chair. What is it for?
For the barber, when he was
He's coming here.
Yeah, I make him come. I don't have to. I'm lazy, so I pay people to come. Like, you come and do my beard. So I bought the chair and bought all the equipment so he could come to the house.
I will just fix the design and then he will just set up the table that we will going to use.
Okay.
Yun na. Buti na lang madali na ipapagawa. Pero mahirap yung area guys kasi ulo. Medyo mahirap magtato sa ulo. Okay, boss.
You ready?
Have a seat. I'm gonna stick this stencil. Yo! Ayun na, guys. 4 hours. 4 hours lang na session. Nagulat kami nung pagpasok namin, malaking tao pa.
Ay, unano.
Saka punong-puno. Aliit lang pala niya eh. No? Unano lang, no? Unano, no?
Maliit lang. Tindakin lang sa'yo ng dagol.
Dagul, oh, parang dagul lang. So, yun ang ginawa natin. First session lang yun. Parang nagdesisyon na siya na sa akin niya na ipapagawa yung buong katawan niya. Yung mga natirang spaces. Fully covered siya pero madami siyang matatong gustong ayusin at yung ulo niya gusto niya tapusin. First session lang yun nung liit na project. Okay lang ba?
Yes.
Anong experience mo?
Sarap.
Okay ba yung experience mo?
Mayaman
Tumambay ka lang dun eh.
Nakakapagod pero nakatayo lang.
Suggestion, advice ko lang sa mga nag-home service na to. Lalo yung mga ganong kapitlet tao. Dapat, pro. Hindi ko alam kung professional yung ano na, pero pinipilit namin maging professional makipag-usap, professional yung magsiset up. Although, hindi na kasi kami pinagdala ng mga upuan sa table kasi mayroon siyang sariling yun nga, barber's chair. Doon din pala siya nagpapagupit ganyan. Naging professional lang nakausap. Pero parang medyo may ano siya kanina eh, nung nasasaktan na siya eh. Nung nasasaktan na siya eh, parang iiba yung mood niya. So doon ingat din kayo sa mga ganon. Hindi na pwedeng basta-basta i-joke ng dire-diretso. Pakiramdaman mo rin. Kasi yung mga ganyang tao, stress sa buhay yan, madami masyadong iniisip yan. Kaya mahirap kausap. Kung minsan, okay silang i-joke. Kung minsan, mahirap kausapin. Kung minsan, okay sila na gino-joke sila, ganun. Tansyahan lang.
Pero nawala nung
Nawala nung nilagyan ko ng naming cream.
magic cream.
Yung naming cream, nilagyan ko ng... Kasi hindi siya naniniwala nung una sa naming cream. Nung nilagyan namin ng naming cream, okay, let's try one side, sabi. Parang nagulat siya. Ganyan pala yan, akala niya yung parang babawasan lang yung sakit. Eh, totally wala siya naramdaman. Sa ulo pa yun. So, effective sa kanya yung naming cream sa ulo. Ayun, tuwang-tuwa. So, yan, guys. Kung may mga questions kayo, comment lang kayo dyan sa baba. Next week, babalik kami doon. Yun lang. See you guys on the next Tagalog Tuesday. Yes!